take a look at this project. All right, so our French drain is coming in on this side over here. And it's pretty simple. We're gonna go from that corner, come down, and our French drain is only gonna go to about here. And then I'm gonna hard pipe it, put it back over towards his driveway. And that should take care of this side. Another one coming in right from here all the way down to right in here. So I meant to grab my 18-inch bucket, but I've got my 12-inch. I can just do a double trench there, put everything in there. Now I don't have the ASV with me, so I'm gonna have to bring all my gravel in with a wheelbarrow, but that shouldn't be too bad. I'm gonna show you my setup here that I'm rocking with here in 2021. This is my 2019 Ford F-250. It's a 6.8 foot bed, I think. And then this is I've had this a couple months now. It's my Big Tex 10-foot dump trailer. Now this is just big enough for all my equipment. For my excavator, it fits in there pretty well. And then my ASV, I have to fit the pallet forks in here. I have to push them all the way against the back here with the forks facing forward, and I back the machine in, pick the bucket up and turn it down, and it sits with just enough room, with like that much room to close the gates on. In fact, I'll drop that in here so you can see it. Look at that, there's just enough room for the ASV in its bucket and the pallet forks in a 10-foot trailer. I probably should have got a 12 or 14 footer because of that. I can't put the forks on the side or anything because of how small it is, but it is what it is. Hey, at least it works. This works pretty good if you're looking at doing this kind of thing. This trailer, you're not going to overload it too much with the size, and you know, the truck is going to be able to easily pull it. This is a gas motor. Was it a 6.2? I get about 12 miles a gallon pulling this little trailer. Not bad, not bad. And if you're interested in carrying more than just like 2 attachments, a pair of pallet forks and a bucket, I would look into getting a 12-foot or a 14-foot dump trailer. So, all right, now let's go get some work done. Where we're at, I've got everything dug out. I didn't film this side. It took a long time with me running the wheelbarrows, so it took me about 4 hours to load out all the dirt and everything, and I cut a cable line, so I had to deal with that as well. Plus just a lot of really root infested area right here. So after taking care of all that, I've got my gravel. Everything is set where all I gotta do is put my gravel back in here. I've got enough fabric where I'm running it up like this, and then I'm gonna cut another piece, kind of lay it in here and just fold it over nicely. So we're gonna get the gravel in here first. I just need that fabric on top there, that way nothing can go through it. So, and then we're gonna put just a little bit of dirt back on top of it. Hopefully I got enough here. I stockpiled some.
Hey, bud.